Hello dear students, welcome once again. Let us continue our chapter number 5 of geography, that is winds. In the previous lecture we have studied that the extent of difference in the air pressure affects the velocity of the wind, and the wind velocity is measured in the units of knots or kilometers per hour. In this lecture, we are going to learn about the types of winds. When we consider the earth as a whole, we find the direction of the winds is influenced by the rotation of the earth. In the northern hemisphere, winds get deflected. Deflected means diverted towards the right of their original diversion, whereas in the southern hemisphere they get deflected, means they get diverted towards the left of their original direction. As you can see this figure, this direction has been shown by the curved blue arrows. The rotation from west to east causes this change in the original direction of the winds. Winds are known by the direction from which they blow. For example, westerlies are winds that blow from the west. It means the winds that blows from the west are called westerlies winds. The direction, because of the direction, there are three main types of winds. First one is planetary winds, second one is local winds, and third one is seasonal winds. So my dear students, now we are going to learn about these in detail. So let us learn the first type of winds, that is planetary winds. Can you tell me what is meant by planetary winds? Yes, very good. The winds that blow regularly on the earth from high pressure belts to low pressure belts throughout the year, these winds are considered as planetary winds. Planetary winds also has three types, such as easterlies winds, westerlies winds, and polar winds. So let us learn about these three types of planetary winds in detail. First one is easterlies winds. In both hemisphere, means northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere, the winds that blow from the mid latitudinal high pressure belt, which is between 25° and 35° parallel to the equatorial low pressure belt, which is between 0° and 5° parallels. These winds are called easterlies winds. So dear students, the original direction of easterlies changes because of the rotation of the earth. In the northern hemisphere, They blow from the northeast to southwest, whereas in the southern hemisphere they blow from the southeast to the northwest. These winds means easterlies winds coming from both sides converge near equatorial calm belt. Now, dear students, let us learn about westerlies winds. In the both hemisphere means north hemisphere and southern hemisphere, the winds that blow from the mid latitudinal high pressure belt, which is between 25 degree and 35 degree parallel to the subpolar low pressure belt, which is between 55 degree and 65 degree. Here you can see the subpolar low pressure belt is between 55 degree and 65 degree parallel. These winds are called westerlies winds. The original direction of the westerlies changes because of the rotation of the earth. In the northern hemisphere, it means here in the northern hemisphere, they blow from southwest to the northeast. In this way, they blow means westerlies winds blow from southwest to northeast, whereas in the southern hemisphere they blow from the northwest to the southeast. These winds are called westerlies winds. Now, dear students, we are going to learn about the last types of planetary winds such as polar winds. Polar winds. In both hemispheres, the winds that blow from the polar high pressure belt, which is between 80 degree and 90 degree parallel to the subpolar low pressure belt between 55 degree to 65 degree parallels. These winds are called polar winds. Polar winds generally blow from the east to the west. So, dear students, in this way, today we are finished the types of planetary winds, easterlies winds, westerlies winds, and polar winds. My dear students, in the previous lecture, we will learn about the remaining two types of winds, local winds and seasonal winds. We will learn in the next video. I put here assignment. Answer the following questions. Write down these answer of the questions in the notebook. Thank you and have a nice day.